November 16th, 2012. Let's see if we can get that in there. 2:01 a.m. We've got UNIT301 for the last, I don't know how long. The Latinos in 301, the manager friend, blasting the fan. What the fuck do you need a bathroom fan going at 2 o'clock in the fucking morning? Other than the fact that you're doing it to harass. So this all goes on film and it gets loaded. It's called harassment. Now what are they doing at 2 o'clock in the morning? Blasting a bathroom fan, other than the fact that they're doing it on purpose. So we have to establish a pattern of abuse and harassment. And that's what 301's doing at 2 o'clock in the morning. They've been running it for close to 2 hours. And that's the manager of this apartment complex. So she's bringing in people to fuck around.